Hello guys, and welcome back to my video today. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to create autoresponder with GetResponse. As you may already know, or if you don't know, GetResponse is an email marketing software. This is a cloud-based software that allows you to send multiple emails to bulk email contacts. So if you visit www.google.com and you search why do you use email autoresponder, you will see that an email autoresponder series enables companies to build trust with their prospects. Email autoresponders get a recipient to open promotional emails, visit websites, and eventually make a purchase. Most sites use email autoresponders to provide their subscribers with the most relevant offers at the right time. So this is very much why you need email autoresponder software like GetResponse to promote your offers to a massive contact list. So if you are new on this channel, this is a channel whereby I give ideas on digital tools you can use to improve your online business or digital tools you can use to make money online. So I want you to like this video, I want you to subscribe this video and turn on your notification bell so you'll be the first to get our videos whenever we drop them. And I'll be right back.
Right here in the world, me with you all alone, it's like a dream come true. I want you right here in the world, me with you all alone, it's like a dream come true.
So when you enter into this cloud-based software, GetResponse, you'll be bring here to sign up for free. Sign up is free, so you just have to sign up for free. And once you sign up, you will log in. So I wouldn't be going through the process of signing up because I already have an account with GetResponse. So I will only be logging in right now. So this is very much a new account. So that is why you can be able to see this widget here. Otherwise, if this is an old account, this will not be here and you just have to go through the process of clicking tools icon. So this is how you create your autoresponder. You have to click on the tools. If you can't find this widget there, just have to click on the tools at the left top corner of the screen. So this is me doing this right now, and you just have to come to autoresponders. As you can see on the screen, autoresponders. So you click on it and you just have to wait for it to load. So let us wait for that right now. Now you just have to come to create autoresponder. As you can see on the screen, create autoresponder. So I'm going to be tapping on this blue button right now and wait for it to load again. So you have to pay very close attention here. As you can see, untitled autoresponder, this is a name that will appear on your messages. Only you will be able to see this, so you can pretty much name this anything you want, just for you to remember what the title of this autoresponder. So I will just name this for demo, because of, let me just say demo, because of the sake of this video. So you have to pay very close attention to this. As you can see, autoresponder settings, it says when do you want this message to go out. So if you are making an autoresponder for welcome emails, whenever a person sign up into your newsletter, or whenever somebody obtain into your landing page, so you can just send a welcome note, a welcome letter, a welcome email, and this will be on the day 0. The instance they are able to subscribe into your newsletter, they get the welcome email in some minutes later. so you just have to put it on day one. However, if you are making a promotional if you are sending a promotional email, so you can just choose any other day you want them to get the email, as they have signed up into your newsletter. So for example, if I should sign up to your newsletter today and you want me to get a promotional email of a product in 5 days, so you just have to choose day 5. So just write 5, or better still, click on the arrow here and you click on 5. But as we are doing the welcome email, so we'll put it on day 0. You have to choose this. It says same time as a sign up time, or with the delay of exactly of. I always recommend same time as a sign up time. So we have to click on this and we have to choose which day you want them to get this. Do you want them to get this email every Monday or every Tuesday, or you want them to get it any days in the week, or you just want them to get it on a particular day in the week? So you have to place close attention to this, and you have to mark any of these box to be able to do just that. So here it says from email address reply to. So if you have multiple emails signed into this account, so you can just choose whatever email you want to send it from, and if they reply to your email, where you will get the email, so you just have to choose as well. But for me, I already have one email here, so I'm just choosing both of the email in the from and the reply to inbox. So you have to write the subject line when people sign up to your newsletter, so they get a welcome message. Now every autoresponder or every newsletter needs a very powerful subject line. If you dash to Google and you find out the importance of subject line, you'll find out that the subject line of a letter indicates the letter's purpose in a very short and simple way. By reading the subject line of a letter, the receiver can understand what the letter is about. She or he does not even need to read the whole letter. So this is pretty much why you need to write a very compelling subject line. And how do you do this? You do this by adding the contact name. This is a way of personifying the subject line. So to do this, you just have to click on the contact icon here and you select the name. So this means that if the owner of the email you are sending to if the owner's name is Kelvin, this will simply, when he or she receive this message, it will be Kelvin, we are excited to have you, or let me just say, we are excited to help you get started. Sorry. Now, so we just have to go to the design message by clicking here. So we are waiting for it to load. Now there are several templates you can use, and since we'll be going to the welcome message, so you just have to click on all categories and it will bring out the welcome here. So you just click on it and you'll see there are varieties of welcome messages you can use. But if you are a person like me, I like to choose the blank template, so I'll just click on the blank template and click on this because of the sake of this video. So we are waiting for it to load right now, and so right now we are down to creating the header message and the body. Before I continue, I would like to quickly remind you that if you have not subscribed or liked this video yet, I want you to do that right now so that this video can go more viral and more people can see this video. And also, whenever I will drop a new video, you can be part of the first to get this video. So now, because I already don't have a logo, or because of the sake of this video, I'll just be turning off the logo. So to do that, you can just come to the right hand side of the screen, the message style, as you can see, the elder, and you come right down and switch off the logo. As you can see, it will disappear. Now you can put the elder message, which we can just write as welcome, welcome to digital tools with Sam Kwan. So I don't like the blue color and how it is underlined, so I will just change it to the black color, and I will increase the size to 16 because I like my message to be bold so people can see it clearly and they can read it very clearly too. So I will change the font as well, and I will make it more bold, and I will switch off the underline. So I will change the side of which the text is, and now this is perfect for me. So to put the inbox, you just have to click on the inbox and come back to here to click back to layout. So once you do that, you see the text icon here. If you want to add images, videos, spacer, divider, social media, custom HTML, everything you can just drag to the screen. But because we are just adding the text, so we are just going to drag in the text here into the screen. Now we are going to write the message as we have done in the subject line. It is advisable that you personify the message as well. So to do that, you just have to click on the contact icon here and you choose the name, and you can just say it's really exciting that you joined digital tools with some crowd. No, I really prepared this message. This is for the sake of this demonstration, so it will be as short as okay, we are sure that you will really enjoy promoting the products the affiliates will promote. So that's pretty much everything, and I can just bold this place if I want. Okay, I can also change the color. I can underline it, I can make it italics, I can put a link, anything I want I can do it right here with this with these features here, with this tool right here. So the next thing I want to do right now, before I continue, I want you to make you understand that when you are writing your email letters, make sure it is short. It might not be too short, but short and legible, so people will read it and they will understand. Make it simple as well, with simple English, so people will read it and you will understand whatever you are trying to say to them at once and very easily. So now we are clicking on the next here, the next button here. So now, as you can see, the name we added before, so it didn't change, and the autoresponder setting as before. We are doing a welcome message and it should deliver to them as immediately they sign into our newsletter or opt-in from our landing pages. So As you can see, this is the spam check. It says you are good to go. If your message is likely to land into the spam folder, this spam check will tell you, and you can edit your message to make it more good to send. So you can send a text message to yourself to know if it really lands in the spam folder, this promotional tools, or it land into the inbox. So you can send a text message to yourself before you send and publish. So now we just have to click on save and publish, and as we'll be doing that right now. So now that is how you send your autoresponder tools. I'll be seeing you in my next video. Make sure you like and subscribe to this channel, and God bless you.